This is my Dash mini griddle, and this is a can of country style biscuits. I got these at Lidl. I want to say this was like 99 cents or something. And I'm really curious as to whether I can bake a biscuit in this Dash mini griddle. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna take one of the biscuits and we'll cook it in here and we'll see what happens. So this has been heating up and it just came up to temperature, so let's get started. I took off the outer wrapper, and then this gives you 1, 2, 3, gives you instructions on how to open the can. Let's wait for that pop. There we go. Here's my biscuit dough. I am going to put it just like this in the Dash, and let's close the top. And I don't know, should we come back in 5 minutes? Let's come back in 5 minutes and check on it. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes now. Let's open this up. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's kind of what I was afraid of. Both sides look really, really well done. The inside, the sides look, I don't know how the sides are. Should we keep cooking this? No, let's take this out. Let's take this out. I'm gonna get a knife. Okay, so let's split this in half. Let's split this in half and see what's going on in here. It is super hot. Wow, really, really hot. And that's what it looks like inside. I'm not sure if it's done. It's kind of just like a flat biscuit. I'm gonna taste half of it. It tastes done. It tastes like a biscuit from a can. And how does that look to you? To me, it looks cooked. I mean, maybe this one thicker area, maybe that one thicker area is not as cooked, but it looks cooked. It feels cooked. It tastes cooked. I'm gonna add some homemade jam to this side. But for me, if I'm having a biscuit craving, which might happen only a few times a year, I don't really eat a lot of biscuits, this would really kill that craving. Just quickly putting some canned biscuit dough in the Dash mini griddle and then making a flat biscuit. Here is more raw biscuit dough. What I want to do on this one is I'm going to flatten out the raw dough, and then let's see how this does in the Dash instead. So I'm going to kind of stretch it. It's like working with a pizza dough. This would probably be good for making a mini pizza in the Dash. So here's the dough. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit more. And we're going to put it in the Dash griddle. Be careful, it's very hot. And let's cover this, and then let's cook this for 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's been 5 minutes now, so let's see how this flat biscuit is doing. It actually rose a bit, which I'm surprised. That's what it looks like. It's very golden brown in color, so let's take this out. Always remember to unplug your Dash. So here's what we have. We have a flat biscuit. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually cut it in half this way, and then I'll slice half of it in half. It's very hot. But these are kind of cute. I was able to slice one of the halves in halves, and it does look like it's cooked through. I mean, it's just like barely cooked through. So now I have kind of like biscuit thins. These are like biscuit thins. They taste like a biscuit. I actually kind of like them. You know, biscuits are really small and they're really quick and easy to eat. And the calories and the starches can add up fast. And I feel like maybe by kind of squashing them down and spreading them out and making like biscuit thins, you can prolong the enjoyment of eating one biscuit. It's very tasty. And this half is actually kind of crispy, which is nice. But it has a biscuit flavor. So then this half I'm just gonna put some jam on this half and just eat it like this and see which one I prefer. This is homemade blueberry rhubarb jam. Looks good. This is nice also.